Hello friends, I am Pauline the Mermaid in Mouse and Mermaid, and today I am coming to you with a DIY Christmas ornament. But first, let's check out what Disney pin I got in my advent calendar today. Hello and happy December 10th. It is day 10 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. Today we're going to be opening up this house with a perfectly pink front door. Oh, this pin makes me so happy. So I got this little Remy pin. I am going to be putting together my kitchen and enhancing it, and I want it to have a Remy theme. And I can't wait to add this. This is my first pin in that pin board for my kitchen. Do people have pin boards in their kitchen? I do. So Little Chef here is a gold medal pin. It looks like this was actually from, I can't tell, 2016 or 2015. And it says Remy on it. I just love the artwork of this. It's very hand-drawn feel. So cute. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video. For our ornament, we're gonna need some string, some small wooden beads, some large wooden beads, a wooden tag, scissors, a glue gun, some ribbon of your choice, and some embellishments of your choice. So first we're going to take our string. I've cut about 24 inches and we're going to fold it in half. Then we are going to feed the string through our tag, and you're going to pull the string through a loop that you made in the tag. Now we're going to cut a piece of ribbon and tie it around the top of your tag. You're going to add just a touch of glue to the top of the tag and push your ribbon down. This will just help to hold the ribbon in place. Now you're going to cut the ends off to your desired length. I ended up just wanting a little bit more oomph with mine, so I turned it into a little bow. Next, you're going to take one of the strings and make a bunny ear, and then wrap the other string around and make a smaller little fold. Then you are going to take all of the strings and tie them into a knot. That little fold you just have to tuck in and pull. Then you're going to cut off your excess. And one thing you'll just want to make sure is that your string here is long enough to feed the beads on. You're going to take 2 of the smaller beads and then 1 larger bead. I ended up getting dowel tops, so I had to drill a hole through the bead to get it to feed. But hopefully you can find some larger bead to get the effect we're going for. And then we're gonna feed this last bead through, and we're gonna add some glue inside of the hole. Luckily, gravity is in our favor with this next step. When it gets slightly cool, just make sure you're pushing the glue down if it happens to be coming out of the top in any manner. I also like to pull the string against one of the walls of the beads so it really holds in place. All right, and once it's dry, we're gonna add our Mickey ears. So you're gonna take 2 more brown beads and we're gonna hot glue them right on top. All right, and there is the ornament, and you can decorate this in any way you would like. So I am going to use this cute little snowflake. And then I'm gonna use these number and letter stickers and write 2020. And there you go, there's my little 2020 Mickey ornament. I made this other one here and it says irresistible on it, and I used just a little bit larger string. So you can really kind of custom create whatever design you want, use different ribbon, you can paint the tag, paint the beads, and really make them match your Christmas decor. Well guys, I hope you loved that ornament and want to make some yourself. I want to show how it looks in my tree. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me, are you going to be making this ornament this holiday season? And if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you were to consider giving us a subscribe and joining the Mouse and Mermaid family. I hope that you have a great rest of your day and a very merry holiday season. Peace, love, and kwa harini. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. In today's video, we're in Animal Kingdom. We ride one of our favorites, Kilimanjaro Safari, and head over to Harambe Market for lunch. I hope you'll go give it a watch.